how to use the Windows 11 cloud backup feature. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. For this, you'll need to go to the settings. So search for settings, open it up, and on the left hand side, go to accounts. And here you'll find the Windows backup option. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll find OneDrive folder syncing. So you'll need to tap on setup syncing, and then you can see that you can back up the folders on your PC. So you can choose whether you want to back up documents, pictures, desktop, music, videos, or all. And you can just hit save changes, and the files and folders will be backed up on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.